Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today you can see we have a lovely Star Wars piece. It is a 1 kilo coin, the New Hope 1 kilo coin, and another fantastic installment to the Star Wars series from the New Zealand Mint. Of course, got Disney there, Lucasfilm, and the certificate of authenticity there from the New Zealand Mint. This is such a heavy piece. Let's slide it out if we can, just gently. Of course, it's 1 kilo, so that's quite heavy for a coin. Look at that. Fantastic. I can hear the Star Wars fans running as we show this coin. That is just phenomenal. Slide it out of the box there. Of course, there we have the obverse. It is produced for the country of Niue, so of course, Queen Elizabeth II, $100. It's definitely got a big mirror finish there, so trying to stop the reflection there for you, and 2022. But look at this reverse. It almost looks like a live event. It's fantastic. The colouring on this is phenomenal. You can see just there, you've got some fine print down the bottom. 1 kilo. 999 silver, and again Lucasfilm's there, but all our beloved characters from the Star Wars series. Just fantastic. Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia, Han Solo, Chewbacca, C-3PO, R2-D2, Obi-Wan there, and just a great action scene happening all around them. Gee, this is a big coin. But I mentioned Darth Vader's on this coin. It's just so chunky. So just to give you some perspective there, that's what we're talking about. It's massive. Really is such a big piece, and it's been done so well. The amount of detail that's on this coin, regardless of the size, is so nice. And just the interchanging, so you've got the coloured pieces, then you've still got the silver of the coin coming through in some of the images. Of course, Darth Vader, as mentioned before, but also the Death Star there in the background. And the resolution of the colour is so great as well. Definitely a great piece for any Star Wars collector. Speaking of pieces, there are only 100 of these that have been produced. So it's just amazing. Of course, you get that with your box. Official licensed product. Just fantastic.